Welcome to your dream home, the lifestyle you always wanted, in the desirable 55 plus gated community of Jess Ranch in Napa Valley. Let's take a tour. This property offers a lifestyle of comfort and convenience with almost 1,300 square feet of living space, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 car garage. This home is perfectly designed for ease of living with new interior paint, new dishwasher, and new carpet. Enjoy the access to Clubhouse, swimming pool, fitness center, walking distance to banks, restaurants, and shopping center.